Welcome back to CarCrafted, the channel where we explore the most exciting cars on the planet. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about supercars of the year, the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario. This machine represents a bold new chapter for Lamborghini, combining breathtaking performance, futuristic design, and cutting-edge hybrid technology that pushes the limits of what a supercar can be. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario steps in as the successor to one of the most iconic V10 supercars ever built. But Lamborghini didn't just update the formula, they completely reinvented it. Under the hood, the Temerario introduces a brand new twin-turbo V8 engine paired with advanced hybrid technology. The result is a mind-blowing power output that pushes beyond 900 horsepower. That means lightning-fast acceleration, with 0 to 60 miles per hour happening in around 2.5 seconds. This is the kind of performance that puts the Temerario firmly in hypercar territory. But power is only part of the story. Lamborghini has engineered the Temerario with a sophisticated plug-in hybrid system that not only boosts performance but also improves efficiency. Electric motors assist the engine, delivering instant torque and sharper response. The all-wheel drive system ensures that all that power reaches the road with incredible control, giving drivers confidence whether they're launching off the line or carving through tight corners. Visually, the Temerario looks every bit as aggressive and futuristic as you'd expect from Lamborghini. The design features razor-sharp lines, massive air intakes, and a low, wide stance that screams performance. The front end carries sleek LED headlights with a signature lighting pattern that instantly identifies it as a Lamborghini. Along the sides, sculpted aerodynamic channels guide airflow to improve stability at high speeds, while the rear features an eye-catching diffuser and center-mounted exhaust system that highlights the car's racing DNA. Step inside the cabin and the Temerario feels like stepping into the cockpit of a fighter jet. Lamborghini has created a driver-focused interior filled with premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather. A fully digital instrument cluster sits directly in front of the driver, providing real-time performance data, navigation, and vehicle settings. A large central touchscreen controls infotainment, climate, and hybrid system functions, making the experience both high-tech and intuitive. Technology plays a major role in the driving experience. The Temerario includes multiple driving modes that allow drivers to switch between electric efficiency, daily comfort, and full-throttle track performance. Advanced suspension systems and active aerodynamics constantly adjust to keep the car stable and responsive, even at extreme speeds. What truly sets the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario apart is how it blends traditional supercar emotion with modern innovation. The roaring engine sound, the explosive acceleration, and the dramatic styling still deliver the excitement Lamborghini fans expect. At the same time, hybrid technology brings the brand into a new era of performance and sustainability. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario isn't just another supercar. It's a statement about the future of Lamborghini and the future of high-performance machines. Faster, smarter, and more advanced than ever before, this is a car designed to dominate both the road and the imagination. If you love supercars and cutting-edge automotive technology, the Lamborghini Temerario is definitely a machine to watch. And here on CarCrafted, we'll keep bringing you the latest and greatest from the world of performance cars. Stay tuned for more incredible automotive stories.